Day 3. Against all odds, I am still alive. The fire didn't burn down my shelter, the beans explosion didn't kill me, and the apocalypse hasn't. Yet. Progress. Or delusion. Hard to tell anymore. Day 1. I nearly died of thirst. Day 2. I made fire and nearly blew myself up. Today, I hunt for breakfast. A real meal. Something fit for a survivor. Or, at the very least, not wood. And there it is. Civilization's last gift. A vending machine. A shrine of snacks. Locked. But not for long. I have triumphed. Victory tastes like a chocolate bar 2 years past expiration. Sweet, sour, regret. Lesson learned. Even in the end times, expiration dates matter. Enough food philosophy. Today, I evolve. Not just a bear, but an engineer. Step 1. A knife. Every survivor needs a blade. Mine looks more like a spoon. Next invention, rope. I've seen humans twist fibers together. Easy, simple. Except when you're using a shredded tarp. What I have here is less rope, more sad ribbon. And then, genius strikes. A slingshot. Simple, effective, deadly. Behold, Apocalypse Weaponry version 1. Time to test it. I build a trap. Bait, string, rock. Classic survival. I wait and wait. And the only thing it catches is me. Fine. Forget hunting. I'll cook something instead. I have fire mastered. I am fire. Okay, that sounded cooler in my head. I place my knife spoon on the fire, thinking it could cook something. It melted. Turns out science hates me. Enough failures. Time to explore. The ruins call to me. Maybe there's treasure, or at least something not expired. And what do we have here? A notebook. Human writing. It says, "Don't go to the tunnels." Naturally, I want to go to the tunnels. But then, I hear it. A sound. Not wind, not rats. Something else. Something alive. Day 3 ends not with beans or fire, but with questions. What survived down here with me? Tomorrow, I find out, if I live that long.